What up? What's good? What's happening, RJC? We back with another reaction video. Today we got rappers lose their trying to save a puppy. So I seen like a little, you know, when you hover over YouTube, it show you a little thing, and if you haven't seen it, clearly they're trying to save a puppy, but they got the VR headset on. I don't know the whole thing, but I know in this video is Smokepurpp, PnB Rock, Neeshhaa, St. John HN, Currency, Buddy, Fat Nick, Famous Dex, Wi-Fi Funeral, YBN Nahmir, and Hood Rich Pablo Juan. That's who they got in here. I ain't gonna lie.
Pretty good lineup.
Yeah, you know, some of these guys, I don't know who St. JHN is. They ain't listening to him. And I think that's the only one.
I don't know who Buddy is.
I don't know Neeshhaa.
I don't know who Rich Pablo Juan. I don't know who.
Oh man, I've been listening to Hood Rich. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into this one. Rappers lose their trying to save a puppy.
I'm off the Percocet, y'all about to give me a heart attack.
He said he off the Percocet.
Well, I guess they would go from there. Famous Dex. Hold up. Before, see?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm high as fuck right now.
Famous Dex killed me because he be so messed up all the time, and then he got like mouth spit when you start talking.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my God.
Yo, what? This is fire.
What is this? What is this? Virtual realities, fuck boys.
Oh, I see now.
Nah, fam. Don't say that with your bedroom voice, neither.
What the fuck is that? Oh, I'm high as fuck.
You ever done VR before?
Yeah, I played a scare game.
Oh yeah, okay, cool. Are you afraid of heights? Yo, do you see a controller? Grab it.
That Nick sound like he already out of breath.
I wasn't gonna say nothing.
I'm playing. I love that Nick.
Oh shit. Oh, y'all about to, I'm off the Percocet, y'all about to give me a heart attack.
What the fuck? I want to fucking build a nigga's a fucking bird.
It's like fucking Spider-Man, bro. It looks like we're in New York right now. Holy shit.
Hello, what is these crows?
I do this.
They going crazy. It's like
You can barely even do VR.
I'm taking this bitch off.
No, it's all good. We got you, man.
This is so fucking scary, bro.
You got to come for me like that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
There's a dog right there.
That's gonna be you.
Oh.
It's gonna be you.
What I did
There's a
already.
dog right there.
Oh yeah, it ain't about nothing. Oh, it is about something though. I ain't gonna switch. It looked like we going
He
forward.
switched real quick.
100 to 0.
I like that fit.
Alright. Ain't nobody scared of no plank. Niggas ain't scared of no damn plank.
No, I ain't scared. Look at his hands.
Right.
Hey, cuz this virtual reality shit is not cool, my nigga.
Oh, this is fake. This is fake. This is fake. This is fake. This is fake.
I believe in you, man.
You telling yourself.
I do.
Oh! Hell no! Hey, who signed me up for this? And I fucking duck for that. I walk like this.
I'm about to do this. I fucked y'all up with this one right here. Fucked y'all all the way up with this one.
I can't. I don't go fuck with you and Martin Luther King was right there. I can't.
He took the thing.
Oh, yeah, yo.
See, look, mouse spit.
I wasn't looking at his mouth. Stop staring at his mouth.
Yeah, mouse spit. You can't tell. See?
Woo, shit, bitch. Woo, shit, bitch. What you doing up there?
Is he crunk?
He crawling.
Hey! Hey, these niggas on some bullshit, bro. Why y'all trying to make the bird?
Dude, you got it.
Shit, you fucking.
You just gotta crouch down a little bit.
Yeah, these are Gucci pants. They're gonna rip.
Oh.
Oh, this shit's crazy. Oh.
Yo, honestly though.
Why he squat like that? You gonna drop the dog?
Oh.
I like this
I
big
really
eye
don't
alien
like
dog. I would name it DMX.
Wow. He sound like designer though.
He too.
I got him. What the fuck? Come here.
PnB Rock was really scared.
Now what?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Fat Nick too.
This
Nah,
shit look
Dex was
crazy.
just like, fuck it.
Dex was like, I'm not
He
doing
was
it.
like,
I'm not going.
Still here.
Try.
I'm too hot for this.
Oh shit.
Oh, now I gotta get back.
Oh, shit! Bruh, I can't move, bro. I'm terrified of heights. I'm about to drop the puppy.
Seriously? Look at his foot.
Oh shit.
Yo.
I can't squat these Gucci pants. Ooh,
Oh. Who is that again? That buddy? Who is that?
I can't remember who that one is. Somebody got me in the comments.
I did it.
Good. Yeah, we fucking saved the dog, bro. Oh shit.
Oh,
Oh.
I got him.
He got him.
What the fuck? That shit had me sweating, nigga. I'm talking about nuts. You know what I'm saying? Everything is finessable.
That's
you
the
alright,
most
right.
shit I ever did.
Nah,
in
you
my
can't even
life.
talk. You ain't even do it.
Now I'm 24. It feel like I'm 4 years old.
He taking the mic off. He's like, nah.
If I can save an animal, you can do it too.
Hey man, but shout out. What kind of dog is this? Is this a French bulldog?
Maybe.
Those are my favorite type of dogs.
Could nobody keep me from that dog? From DMX, my little dog. I rescued that. This ain't virtual reality, it's compassion. United Nations.
Uh-huh.
It's my pledge to the people of Uganda. Give me my glasses. Change is gonna come.
Yeah.
Oh yes, it will. Yeah, I remember that. And don't forget to wear Creed and use deodorant. Stay young.
Yep. Okay. Don't forget to use deodorant, y'all. That was funny. That was funnier than I thought it was gonna be. To be honest with you.
That was funnier than I thought too. I'm gonna start giving random motivational speeches too. Right? Like, look.
All right, hit me with one. What's
Here you
up?
go. Check this out.
Right.
Remember, every morning
Mm-hmm.
you gotta wake up and you gotta do it.
Just do it. Wow, I am so inspired right now.
Mm-hmm.
I feel so motivated.
Check this out. Check this
Right.
out.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
When you at the store, you make sure you grab everything you need
Mm-hmm.
so you prepare for the next day.
Wow. Wow.
Okay. That's
I'm
it.
gonna hire
That's
you.
it.
I'm gonna hire
Motivational
you.
speaker.
They
Bye,
need to
YouTube.
hire you at the local high school to be a motivational speaker.
I'm
That
done.
was
I'm
just
going to
exceptional.
motivational speaker. That was good. I see y'all.
Alright, y'all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite part. Which rapper did it the best? We out.